How much should you really spend on Microsoft entertainment gear? Cheap stuff feels flimsy, but the expensive ones, you're not sure if they're overpriced or actually worth it. The truth is, price doesn't always mean quality. And today, we're cutting through the noise to show you exactly what delivers. Product number 1, Microsoft Entertainment Pack 2004 Music Pack. This one's a throwback. The Microsoft Entertainment Pack 2004 Music Pack, released back in 2006. At just $29, it's sitting there like a relic from a simpler time. If you're into nostalgic PC gaming or collecting vintage software, this might catch your eye. It came with rhythm-based mini-games and music creation tools, all wrapped in that classic Windows XP aesthetic. Now, here's why this matters if you're a retro gamer or digital archivist. Back in the day, these packs were how Microsoft kept casual gaming alive on the desktop. You'd get quirky titles like Pinball Dreams or Space Cadet. Simple, fun, and perfect for killing time between tasks. The music pack specifically focused on beat matching and audio mixing, which was surprisingly advanced for a freebie-style bundle. But let's be real, this isn't going to run smoothly on modern systems. No reviews, 0 ratings, and it hasn't been updated in nearly 2 decades. Some users who tried running it on Windows 10 or 11 reported crashes or compatibility issues. Honestly, unless you've got an old machine lying around or you're deep into preservation, this feels more like a collector's item than a usable product. This is perfect for you if you love digital nostalgia or want to relive early 2000s PC culture. Skip this one if you're looking for something functional today. It's more of a museum piece now. At $29, it's not a bad deal for the history alone, but don't expect modern performance. Product number 2, Hori Taiko Drum Controller. Alright, now we're getting into hardware. The Hori Taiko no Tatsujin Drum Controller, officially licensed by Microsoft and Bandai Namco. Priced at $100, this isn't your average gamepad. It's a full drum kit designed for rhythm games on Xbox Series XS and Windows 10/11. Here's why this matters if you're serious about rhythm gaming. The pressure-sensitive pad detects exactly where you hit, center or edge, just like a real taiko drum. That means your in-game performance actually reflects your skill. Plus, the included stand keeps everything stable, and the drumsticks feel solid in your hands. It's built for marathons, not just casual play. Now, some users said it takes up too much space or feels bulky on a small desk. And yeah, at over 3 pounds and nearly 18 inches wide, you'll need room. But if you've got the space, the immersion is unbeatable. This isn't just a controller, it's an experience. This is perfect for you if you love rhythm games like Taiko no Tatsujin or want to level up your music gaming. Skip this one if you're tight on space or only play casually. At $100, it's a niche buy, but for fans, it's worth every penny. Product number 3, Surface Pro 11 Snapdragon X Elite. Now, if the drum controller was niche, this next one is a powerhouse. The Surface Pro 11 with Snapdragon X Elite, priced at $1,340. This isn't just a tablet, it's a full Windows laptop replacement with AI built in. Here's why this matters for you. The Snapdragon X Elite chip delivers desktop-level performance with insane battery life. We're talking 15+ hours of real use. The 13-inch OLED screen is stunning, perfect for streaming, editing, or just browsing. And with Copilot Plus PC, AI handles tasks like summarizing emails, enhancing video calls, or organizing files automatically. Some people complained about app compatibility. Since it's ARM-based, a few older x64 programs might run slower or not at all. But Microsoft has made huge strides. Most everyday apps work flawlessly. For students, creators, or professionals on the go, this is a game changer. This is perfect for you if you want a portable, all-day device that doubles as a creative workstation. Skip this one if you rely heavily on legacy software. At $1,440, it's pricey, but the performance and battery life justify it for the right user. Product number 4, Surface Go Type Cover Renewed. Finally, the Microsoft Surface Go Type Cover in black. Renewed, highly rated, and bought by 50+ people recently. This isn't a standalone device. It's the keyboard that turns your Surface Go into a laptop. Here's why this matters. The Surface Go is lightweight and portable, but without a keyboard, it's just a tablet. This cover adds backlit keys, a large trackpad, and strong magnetic attachment, all in a slim design. It clicks into place instantly and adjusts to any angle, making it great for typing on your lap or at a cafe. Some users noted that renewed units can have minor wear, like faint scratches or slightly less vibrant backlighting. But for the price, often half of a new one, it's a steal. Microsoft's build quality holds up, even refurbished. This is perfect for you if you already own a Surface Go and want a reliable, affordable keyboard. Skip this one if you need a brand new unit or don't have a compatible device. It's one of the best value accessories in the Microsoft ecosystem. So, which one's right for you? The Music Pack is pure nostalgia. The OneDrive Book is a smart, low-cost upgrade for your workflow. The Hori drum controller is for rhythm game fans who want immersion. The Surface Pro 11 is a premium all-in-one for power users. And the Type Cover? A must-have if you've got a Surface Go. Each serves a different need. Pick the one that matches your lifestyle.